decided to do a hike today. Got halfway up it before I realised it was a 12, which is fair enough, moderate, but I'm well out of shape. That's better. Yeah, I thought I was doing really well. I've been at it for about an hour. And the first kind of summit that you can get to, I thought I've got to be there soon. Come to this sign, there's another 45 minutes. So far, it's been all this. Can't really gauge how steep that is on the camera, I don't think, but it is really steep. Someone's loving it. And yeah, what you got? Where does his energy come from? I will admit, I have a slight issue with vertigo. I don't have a fear of heights, my legs go funny, I go dizzy. It's the worst possible reaction to have when you're at a height. But now that I've got Lance, and he loves going near the edges, I get it for him as well. Oh, I've just proper stacked it. I landed front of my hand. Oh, it's not broken, but all that hurts. I'm calling it a day. Right, the track's levelled out again now, and my hand is starting to swell a little bit. Unfortunately, the only thing I can use as an ice pack is my last beer. And once it's out of the fridge, I mean, it'd be rude not to drink it, wouldn't it? I mean, you know. Ah, there's the nice sight. Home. This morning and I felt on a bit of a slant, and I thought that's weird because I really made the effort to get it level last night, but as it turns out, one of that bits of effort has sank into the ground and the other bit has exploded. Hello, mate. Look at you looking all regal. Get out of bed, it's time to play with me. Hello. What's in here? So expensive. Everything is double what France and Spain. Oh, throwback. Bacardi Breezers. I've been drinking these since I was like 15. Yeah, why not? So apparently in Italy this is bread. What is that? And despite the fact I've just opened it, it's already stale. It's horrible. I've made these little micro sandwiches out of this, I'm not even calling it bread, this crumb. I'm going to toast it so it's not as dry and nasty. That brings back some memories. 14, 15, Sat in a field getting drunk. Guess things never change. I'm never going to manage to get the full detail of this view, but it's just mind-blowing. Lights just went missing. He's gone for like 15 minutes. My whole world just come crashing down, but I found him. Oh, oi! You tried to kill me or what? You little git, don't run off. Oh, it's that time of day again. My neighbours are back. Oh, stop flicking me! Stop whacking your tail, it's freezing! Ah, go on then. Go on then. Oh, steady. Oh, matey. No, no! No! Can I help you? I'm trying to do some work, mate. I've noticed Lance goes to this sort of depth and then just, oh, I swear to God, every time he gets near me he does it. Yeah, he gets to this kind of depth and then just kind of hovers for a bit. I've been wondering, like, what's he doing? But I've come to the conclusion he's just cooling off his balls. Me and Lance are on a location scout at the minute. I've learnt my lesson from previous times, getting stuck and damaging the van and all sorts. So now I always park it up and walk into the place I'm thinking about, and it's actually paid off really big because I came from over that way, walked down, there's loads of puddles and God knows what. Oh, a castle, that's cool. But if I come down the road a bit and come in that way, I miss all of the mud, I miss all the dodginess, and I can come straight in, so bang on. I'm not gonna lie, it's really nerdy, but I really enjoy the whole scouting out bit because you come in, you think, right, this track here, there's no recent tyre marks, so nobody's been here for a bit. There's overgrowth, so there's been quite a long time since someone's been here. I'll be on my own. However, there are some downsides, and it's what's always missed to Instagram and Vanlife posts, because they always look amazing and completely remote. But over there is a motorway. Past some trees is an industrial estate, and there's quite a strong metallic smell coming from over there, so I'm going to weigh up my options. The motorway isn't really that busy, and the smell's gone, so I am home. Lance, come here. Where have you been? Oh my God. Oh, get the brush. Oh, they're all in your legs, chest, ear, your head. I want to get all these out. Stop diving through bushes. That's the worst of them out. Go on then, go and play. No! Mr. King has arrived. Having a slight problem. Yeah, just a bit. That's fully underwater. Can't even see the ramp under your van, look. Alright, we can get out.
Smile, bruh. Hello. Smile, Dodge. Hello. To the wilderness.
Steve's gone engineering on this. He reckons this will single-handedly sort the truck out if the handbrake fails.
It ain't going nowhere.
Follow it through.
How's your nature poo, bro?
Eventful.
Poo with a view.
If you look behind.
Cheers, bro.
See that?
I think Lance is trying to cool off. Lance!
I'm so sad.
It's okay, Steve.
I'm so sad.
We're gonna go to Milan.
Okay, let's go. No! No! I lost the cucumber.
Don't put the siren on.
It sounds like he's drunk. Put down.